check that out, kids!
Princess Toy Review.
Hi, Prince and Princesses. It's Princess T.
Hi, Prince and Princess, Princess Fam.
So, it's almost Valentine's Day, and we're getting ready to have a big Valentine's Day party. So today we're going to prepare for the party, and we're going to make some desserts. We have this giant Rice Krispie treat sheet right here.
And we're also making a Valentine's Day cake.
Okay, so first we're going to open this giant Rice Krispie treat. And I'm super duper excited because I love Rice Krispie. Do you like Rice Krispie, Princess Fam?
I love it.
It smells so yummy. Oh my goodness. Check this out, kids.
Whoa, it's ginormous and it looks delicious, but I'm not gonna eat it yet because we got to cut it out and also decorate it. All right, so I have a heart cutter. I also have a cute arrow.
Aww.
And I have a teddy bear.
Which one do you want to do first, Princess Fam?
I gotta do the heart. Yeah, let's start in a corner so we don't waste too much Rice Krispies treat. And I'm gonna use all my muscles to press down on it. And I might even have to stand up a bit. Hee! Whoa! It almost submerged all the way down!
All right, we need something to put these treats on. And we got the perfect plate. Aren't they cute?
All right, so here we go. I cut out a square for myself and I'm gonna lift it. And I think the easiest thing for me to do is really just to do this number. Oh yes. And I'm gonna take off the excess and then I'm just going to push downward.
So pretty!
Look at my awesome heart, it's so perfect. All right, we're gonna transfer it to my plate over here.
Oh, it's my turn. All right, so should I do the bear or the arrow, Princess Fam? What do you think?
I kind of think the bear.
All right, let's do the bear. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it on here and I'm gonna press it all the way down. Oh my goodness.
Use those muscles.
Oh, I got the end.
There's still one side.
Still one side left. Ay, 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 ay. Alrighty, it kind of went through. I cut myself out a little piece and I'm gonna use the back and press it in like so, and I'm gonna break it out. And we're gonna save these extra pieces so we can eat it. But here we have the bear and I'm gonna press it out here. Check that out, kids. I got me a cute little bear. I'm gonna put it on my plate. And I think I'm going to go ahead and make this arrow. So I'm gonna move this over here and we're gonna put the arrow right, I think it's this way, right here. Press it down all my might. Ah! It's super, super hard. You might need help, ask your parents. And I'm gonna lift it up. And, oh, this one was super duper easy.
Whoa.
I got my little arrow. So I'm just gonna punch it out and put it on this plate. And there we go. And I'm gonna eat some of this extra piece now. You should try it, Princess Fam.
All right, so next I'm gonna make this bear and I'm gonna make this arrow now. So I'm gonna make my bear right here. All right. Hey. This one's plastic, so it's a little bit harder to push down on. But I can do this, I think. Here we go. Almost got it all the way around, like here. And now, before I pull that one out, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one too.
Go, Princess Fam!
Thank you. I'm gonna lift this up and I'm gonna pull out the surroundings. This is awesome.
Look at all that extra that we get to eat.
I love these. They're so easy to use.
Hey, look. There's an arrow over there too in your little square.
Where?
Right here.
Oh yeah. That's awesome. It's like a stencil. All right, here's my arrow. And now let's take out my bear. Come here, bear. Uh-oh, bear. Kinda stuck. Oh no. Okay. I don't know why I'm talking to my Rice Krispie bear.
He's alive.
Wow. Okay, now let's put it on my plate and just push him out. All right, here are my 3 Rice Krispie treats. What do you think? And I guess I got a bunch of extra Rice Krispie.
So we're all done. Check out our Rice Krispie treats. So cute. Now it's time to make
The cake.
All right, so here we have a giant mixing bowl. We have a measuring cup. We have the cake mix. We have a heart pan.
Ooh.
Princess Pam picked it out. Good job, Princess Pam. What's that, Princess Pam?
Oh, and we also got some icing with some sprinkles.
Awesome. We also have some water, some oil, and a mixer over here. But I think for the mixing part, you should ask your parents for some help. Let's get started.
All right, so first I'm gonna open up the cake mix. So let's do that. I'm gonna guess it's pink. Is it pink? Is it pink? Is it pink? Oh no, it's white with some strawberry pieces in there, which is probably gonna turn it pink. Maybe. We'll see. All right, so I'm gonna put this in here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and dump that out into our bowl.
Ooh, look at all that inside.
So the recipe calls for 1 cup of water.
Whoa.
And the recipe also calls for half a cup of oil.
Dump that in.
And last but not least, we need 3 eggs.
Here we have 1, 2,
And 3.
all right, let's crack it.
Boom.
And put it in. Then I'm just gonna put the trash in here.
Good idea.
Oh. And in you go.
Now let's mix.
I got the mixer, and be sure to ask your parents for help if you're mixing with the mixer. Just gonna put that in and turn it on. Alrighty, I think it's just about done, so I'm gonna turn it off. Ooh,
Looks delicious.
yums. Put that there, and then I think we're good to pour it in the pan.
All right, let's pour it into our heart pan. Woo! Look how pretty that is. Okay, now I'm gonna put my cake mix into the oven for 30 whole minutes. Ooh, it's hot. Have your parents help you with this part too. Bye, cake. All right, the cake is all done. Let's get it out of the oven. It smells yummy. And I'm gonna put it here and let it cool. Our cake is all done.
Yay!
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh, it looks like it has a broken heart. Aww.
We need to mend it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's take it out of the tray.
We got our plate.
This is nice and cooled down now, so I'm gonna use my hand. And I'm gonna put on the plates.
What do you guys think? So we have this here. It's nice and perfectly shaped like a heart, and we're going to ice it.
Okay, so let's go ahead and open the icing. And we got some vanilla icing here. And we each got a spoon. And
we're gonna take a big scoop like this.
whoa.
And put it on. Ooh, so we're just going to spread it
Spread,
the
spread,
best
spread.
we can, so we can hide the broken heart.
No one's gonna be able to tell.
Mm-mm.
I think I need more icing.
I think we do too. Should we ice the sides, Princess Fam?
I think so. Probably make it look prettier.
Okay. I think we're just about done here.
Looks great.
Going back. And now it's time for my favorite part. The sprinkles.
All right, lots of sprinkles.
All right, we're all done with the dessert for our party. We got Rice Krispie treats, cake, Rice Krispie treat, and more Rice Krispie treats. But I think something's missing.
Me too.
That's it, some balloons. We're ready for our Valentine's Day party now. So check back tomorrow and we're gonna have our Valentine's Day party. Bye, Prince and Princesses. Bye.